Good morning students. Today I will discuss in this video some of the examples and questions based on the congruency. For the first exercise 7.1, I will take first of all example number 2, and what is in this example? A line segment AB is given and a perpendicular which is L is given, and P is any point on this perpendicular bisector. A perpendicular bisector is given and P is any point on this perpendicular bisector. P is joined from A and B. We have to prove P is equidistant from A and B. A B एक लाइन सेगमेंट दिया हुआ है, एक परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर जो लाइन दी हुई है वो L से डिनोट की हुई है। P कोई भी पॉइंट लिया हुआ है इस परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर पर, कहीं भी ले सकते हैं। P को A और B से मिलाया हुआ है। हमने प्रूव करना है P A और C से इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर है। दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू प्रूव PA इज इक्वल टू PB। ये हमने प्रूव करना है। बिकॉज दिस इज द परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टर, सो these two angles, that this is angle 1, this is angle 2, these two angles are equal because this is the perpendicular bisector, so these angles 90 degree each, and this AC is equal to CB because this is the perpendicular bisector. Bisector means these two parts are equal, and the third part PC is common. So I'll take these two triangles in triangle PAC and PBC. AC is equal to BC because L is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, each 90 degree. दोनों ही 90 डिग्री हैं तो दोनों इक्वल होंगे, एंड PC दोनों में कॉमन है. दिस इज कॉमन इन बोथ द ट्राइंगल्स. So which criteria I have used? Look at the parts: side, angle, then side. Therefore triangle PAC is congruent to triangle PBC by side, angle, side congruency rule. Therefore if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. Therefore we can say PA is equal to PB, and this was the question, hence proved. With this we can say P is equidistant from A and B. PA is equal to PB है तो P A और B से equal distance पर है. That's it. Now I will discuss some of the questions of the exercise. Question number 1. Of exercise 7.1. Question number 1. In quadrilateral ABCD, ACBD, a quadrilateral like this is given, and this is joined ACBD. AB bisects angle A. AB is the bisector, so we can say these two angles, angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. This is given. AC is equal to AD, it is given. Show that triangle ABC congruent to ABD. We have to prove the triangle above the AB and below the AB both are congruent. So I'll take ACB and triangle ADB. I'll take these two triangles because we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. So AC is equal to AD from where? It's given angle 1 is equal to angle 2. It's given. And what about AB? AB is equal to AB. This is common in both the triangles. This is the part AB which is common in these two triangles. Therefore, which criteria I have used? Side, angle, then side. Therefore, triangle ACB congruent to triangle ADB by side, angle, side congruency. Hence proved. Again, one more question in this. What can you say about BC and BD? These two parts by CPCT. BC is equal to BD. Because if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So this was the first question. Now question number 2, I will explain. Some of the questions I will explain and rest of the questions you will try. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equal to BC. A quadrilateral like this is given. A, B, C, this is D. AC and BD are the diagonals and join. This is. In which AD is equal to BC. AD is equal to BC, it's given. Angle DAB, CBA. DAB, this complete angle. ABC or CBA, this complete angle. These two angles are equal. And we have to prove the three parts. Triangle ABD congruent to triangle BAC. In triangle ABD and triangle BA, we have to prove these two triangles are congruent. Triangle BAD or ABD and BAC. AB is common in both the triangles. ABD में भी है ये और ABC में भी है. AB is equal to AB, which is common. angle this, angle BAD is equal to angle BAD and ABC. It's given, and AD is equal to BC. It's given. Now look at the parts and figure. I have taken side, then angle, then side. इसमें भी ऐसे side, angle, side. So criteria is used. Triangle ABD is congruent to triangle BAC by side, angle, side. Congruency rule. So this was the first part of the question. In second, we have to prove BD is equal to AC. Look at both the triangles, ABD and ABC. BD and AC are the corresponding parts. So BD is equal to AC, we can say by CPCT. These are the corresponding parts of congruent triangles. And third one, angle ABD BAC. ABD, this, BAC. These are also corresponding parts. Look at the parts. ये साइड इसके इक्वल है, तो इसके सामने का एंगल ये और इसके सामने का एंगल ये दोनों कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स होंगे। तो ये इक्वल होने चाहिए। सो वी कैन से इन द थर्ड पार्ट एंगल ABD is equal to angle BAC. This is also by CPCT. That's it for the question number 2. Now, I'll explain the question number 5 first of all. Third, fourth you can try. These two questions are easy. And easy questions you can try yourself. So, question number 5 I will explain. What is in question number 5? Line L is the bisector of an angle A. Angle A is given like this at point A, and a line L is the bisector. This is the bisector, the line L. These two angles are equal. BP and B is any point on L. BP and BQ are perpendiculars. ये पॉइंट B ले लेते हैं, यहाँ से परपेंडिकुलर इस पर दिया हुआ है, B पॉइंट दिस इज, एंड यहाँ भी परपेंडिकुलर दिया हुआ है, दिस इज P and this is Q. In first part, we have to prove APB is congruent to AQB. APB and AQB, we have to prove these two triangles are congruent first of all. So, I will take these two triangles. This is the first part. In triangle APB, this triangle APB and AQB. let this is angle 1, this is 2, so angle 1 is equal to angle 2, each 90 degree. It's given because BP and BQ are perpendiculars, so these angles are equal. Angle this is 3 left, this is 4, angle 3 is equal to angle 4. It's given because line L is the bisector of angle A. So these two parts of angle A are equal. And what about AB? AB is common in both the triangles. Therefore, we can say these two triangles are congruent by angle side congruency. Triangle APB is congruent to triangle AQB by angle side congruency. This is the first part. In second part, we have to prove BP is equal to BQ, or B is equidistant from the arms of angle A. In second part, these two triangles are congruent, this and this. So we can say the corresponding parts of these two triangles are equal, or we can say BP is equal to BQ by CPCT. Therefore, we can say B is equidistant from the arms of एंगल ए की दोनों आर्म से इक्वल डिस्टेंस पर है पॉइंट बी, हैंस प्रूव्ड. The last question I'll explain of this exercise, question number 7. In this exercise, there are 8 questions. And this is an important question. Question number 7. A figure is given a line segment AB, P is the midpoint, this is equal to this. This is like half star is given, and these two angles are equal. Angle BAD, this is point D, and this is E, ABE, both are equal. This angle is equal to this. So we have to prove in the first part triangle DAP, triangle EBP. Triangle DAP and EBP are congruent. Before that, I'll make these two angles equal because of angle APE is equal to APE this, and angle BPD are equal. It's given. देखो ये और ये दो एंगल्स इक्वल दिए हुए हैं, अगर दोनों साइड में ये प्लस कर दूं, on adding एंगल DPE बोथ साइड्स, अगर दोनों साइड में ऐड कर दूं इसको, व्हाट विल हैपन, APE प्लस एंगल DPE इज इक्वल टू एंगल BPD प्लस एंगल DPE. Look at the figure. Angle AP plus DPE, APE and DPE. This complete angle APD, BPD, DPE, BPD this and DPE this. तो ये एंगल हो जाएगा BPE. So angle APD and BPE are equal. Now we can take the first part of this question. DAP and EBP. And EBP. In these two triangles, angle A is equal to angle B. It's given. ये दो एंगल्स तो दिए ही हुए हैं इक्वल. AP is equal to BP. It's given. And third part, angle APD is equal to angle BPE. From where? This we have proved. अभी प्रूव किया हमने. Therefore, the two triangles, triangle DAP congruent to triangle EBP, by which congruency rule? Angle side angle. By angle side angle rule of congruency. This was the first part of this question, and second part, AD is equal to BE. Now easily we can prove AD is equal to BE by CPCT, क्योंकि AD और BE इन्हीं ट्राइंगल्स के कॉरस्पॉन्डिंग पार्ट्स हैं. देखो AD इस एंगल के सामने का, जिसको हम इसके इक्वल प्रूव कर चुके हैं, उसके सामने का ये BE. सेकंड पार्ट में AD is equal to BE by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Hence proved. This was the question number 7. So that's all for this video. I'll come back again for the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.